Been long overdue a vodka drink on this channel. It's time for something simple and refreshing. So I'm going to be making a Caipiroska. So it's not old news that people in the bar industry treat vodka like an unloved middle child. Now I'm from an era where there was a massive vodka boom. So I'm not really disclosing my age here, but if you go back to the 80s and certainly well into the 90s, there was a massive vodka fad all over the UK in particular. Could have been in other countries, but you have things such as Soviet bars, ridiculous nightclubs where people could drink these sort of neon fish bowls full of loads of vodka and sugar laden syrups. And then there was these really kind of serious places where people went, you know, intellectual types, thinking they were the fashionistas of the world, talking philosophy and all that kind of stuff. And then somewhere around that, there was the teeny craze, where you had lots of fruity kind of martini riffs, which are made with vodka. And then somewhere in that ecosystem, there was me and my mates being absolute knobs, drinking Grey Goose and lemonade, spending our whole month wages. This drink is not a Russian cocktail, and it's neither from the fashionable bars of London and New York. This drink is actually a Brazilian creation, and it's a vodka version of the Caipirinha. It's also apparently quite popular in the rest of South America, or some other South American countries I understand, Argentina, Uruguay and Paraguay, as well as Brazil, where it originates. But it's gone under different names, I understand. So the ingredient lineup, we've got a vodka. I've gone for Absolute, which is a Swedish vodka. Then we've got simple syrup. Then we've got a whole lime that we're going to cut up into segments. So to kick off this drink, we're going to chop our lime up into 6 or so segments. When you look at a lime, you see this like white line down here. You don't want any of that because it'll make the drink a bit more bitter. So let's try and cut around it. Now, one of the key things when you muddle lime is you put it skin side down. So that's what we're going to do here, because we want all those lovely oils from the lime. And now I'm going to use this cheap and nasty muddler, and I'm going to give these a good muddle. So then we're going to follow this up with 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of vodka. And we're going to add 3/4 of an ounce, that's 22.5 ml of simple syrup. And what I'm going to add here is a small little scoopful of Pebble ice. Perhaps want a little bit more of it. What we're going to do here is a whip shake, so we're just going to shake this down until we can't hear the ice anymore. Don't worry, if you use too much ice, you're going to like over dilute it, so it's just key. You know, you only use a little amount. And if you're using big cubes, don't worry about whip shaking it, just strain it. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to dump this into a rocks glass. Then we're going to top this off with a load of Pebble ice with this really terrible scoop. Get a bit of a crown on this one. As I always say, try and work with this stuff. You use crushed ice as well, but this stuff's absolutely brilliant. You get these little ice cube things on Amazon, places like that. So the all important part, the taste test. Oh, that's a lovely drop that is. Like that. We're not really going to get much taste in the vodka in this one, right? But like the oils and the lime, the juice, the simple syrup makes a delicious drink. But this is like a really sort of like cheap, cheerful drink. And yeah, it's a good way to reintroduce vodka back on this channel. It's accessible for everybody. And yeah, looking at some of my analytics to this channel, apparently a lot of you are aged 18 to 30, so big up to your Generation Z. You're not all avoiding drinks and boring and need to do coffee raves and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I've had a cracking little drink. I could have like another one of these tonight. Got this bottle to get through, haven't I? I've got work tomorrow. Just got to take it easy. But yeah, anyway, so right, I'm gonna like give this one 7.3 out of 10. Nice drink.